Welcome to your step-by-step guide on how to install a Uniclick hybrid system with Dunlop flooring. Before we begin, you'll need a few handy tools. To cut your planks to size, a trusty guillotine is best for less dust. You'll be needing a spirit level, black plastic, and a flooring installation toolkit, all of which can be found at your local hardware store. Before purchasing your floor, measure your space to determine square meterage of planks and accessories needed. Using the formula, calculate length by width, plus 5% wastage. Make sure your subfloor is structurally sound, plain, smooth, clean and dry. A subfloor that doesn't meet these requirements will compromise the locking system and longevity of your floors. A black plastic sheet is highly recommended to ensure the underlay backing does not grip the subfloor. Begin by ensuring your planks settle into the environment you're about to install in. It's best to acclimatise your planks at least 24 hours prior to installation. When laying your floors, pay special attention to the location of the compartmentalisation and the expansion gaps required, as directed by the installation instructions. Before installation, it's important to check your planks are in perfect condition. There is a limited pattern repeat in every range. To achieve a more natural look, the planks should be laid randomly and ensure end joins are at least 300mm apart. Now let's install. Use your spacers. You must have a perimeter expansion gap minimum of 10mm. Then begin laying from left to right. Uniclick boards are inserted on an angle. Here's a closer look at how the Uniclick locking system works. The same principle applies when inserting the short side. If planks need to be cut, measure from the plank end to the spacer, then cut using the guillotine. Uniclick hybrid boards can be easily clicked in by hand or by using a wide pull bar and mallet. To do your next row, angle in your long side. You can slide to adjust, then lay the board down. Now let's click in both sides. Angle in your short side, then lay flat. The gap along the long side can be secured in nicely by lifting the board and pushing it in. Another way to secure the long side is to tap it in with a mallet. To dismantle the boards is simple. Lift, then pull away. For the short side, this can also slide out. Accessories such as scotias, T-trims, end caps and stair nosing are all available for purchase through Dunlop flooring. For more information or to read the full installation guide, visit dunlopflooring.com.au.